In this video, we will tell you the 10 rules of money that will make you rich very quickly. You need to follow these rules, or you may end up losing all your wealth. These rules of money have made many people rich in the last few decades. My friends got rich by following these rules. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss a major part. Now let's start. 1. Stay away from your money. This might sound shocking, but it can be helpful. An option to consider if you're having trouble paying bills on time or are drowning in credit card debt is spending fast. For a certain amount of time, you should refrain from purchasing unnecessary items. In a way, it's like taking a vacation from your money. This doesn't have to be as difficult as it seems. It's likely that you're familiar with detox diets, in which participants abstain from certain items for a set period of time, for example, sugar or gluten, or even only consume juices made from fruits and vegetables. Actually, there is a way to make such diets work for your wallet as well as your body. 2. Lay out a payroll plan. When I was younger, I couldn't understand why so few individuals bothered to create a budget. The tedious process of making a budget is a major worry for many. I know it may seem like a lot of effort, but believe me, it's well worth it. Try to look at it from the positive side and not as a nuisance. Be consistent with your budgeting after you find a routine that works for you. From what I've seen, that's the only viable option. Keep pushing forward. Making a budget and then putting it somewhere out of sight will do you no good. It should be reviewed often and kept up to date. Apps and software made for digital devices may also simplify your life. If you search online, you can find a plethora of great free alternatives. Press the subscribe button and also the like button if you want to know more amazing financial tips and tricks. 3. Limit your out-of-penny expenditures. Everybody loves to wing it every now and then and purchase goods without a strategy. Although making impulsive purchases could make you feel good in the short term, you may come to regret them later on. I was a victim of this several times. Quit doing this immediately if you find yourself in this predicament. Poor financial management is its polar opposite. Things that aren't necessities but are nice to have may benefit greatly from this guideline. You may take some time to consider whether it's a necessity or a fleeting want. If you want to rethink buying it, you have 48 hours to do so. After a few days, you may realize that you're not as interested. Remember to allow yourself a little time to think about it the next time you're tempted to make an impulsive purchase. This piece of financial advice can help you make more informed decisions. 4. Put money aside for major buys. Let your mind wander to a scenario where you see an ad for a $10,000 television set. Doesn't it sound enticing? But please don't purchase it right away. Recall the rule of 48 hours? It is recommended that you adhere to it. You should utilize the funds you've designated for large expenditures, like a TV, to make that purchase, according to experts. Most individuals don't have a good plan to pay it back. Therefore, it's not a good idea to charge it. Putting money aside for a large purchase has several advantages. Paying with cash could earn you better terms or a cheaper price. In certain cases, prices may even go down. A loan may be the best option if you're buying a large item with potential for appreciation in value, such as a home. Your assets and money may be protected as well. You should start saving for that pricey TV before you buy it. This way, you may enjoy your new purchase without worrying about how you'll pay for it, and it won't interfere with your everyday life. 5. Find financial literature to read. The old adage goes something like, if you want to hide something, put it in a book. Indeed, a large portion of the population does not read extensively. The trouble is, however, that if given an opportunity, some of the things kids aren't reading, like what's in books, can really help them achieve. There is no end to the process of learning. Things become better the more you practice them. Being able to make prudent selections is crucial while handling one's financial situation. Being financially literate is crucial in this regard. It feels as powerful as a superpower. It teaches you how to manage your finances well, including creating a budget, saving, borrowing, and investing. The ability to manage one's own financial resources is a hallmark of financial literacy. Achieving financial security is within your grasp. Having the ability to ensure your financial future is like possessing a superpower. 6. Save money every month. An easy approach to get control of your finances is to reduce your monthly spending. There are certain expenses that don't fluctuate greatly, such as rent or auto payments. A little creative budgeting may go a long way toward reducing outlays on things like clothing and entertainment. Lessening your electrical use, switching home or auto insurance providers, and stocking up on sale items are all great ways to save costs. Don't automatically assume that you should take out a loan or credit card just because a bank says you may. Any information about your income or debts that appears on your credit report is the only information that banks are aware of. Your other expenses remain unknown to them. 7. Make your own meal. One option to save money is to cook your own meals at home. Paring down on takeaway, meanwhile, isn't rocket science. I was shocked to see how much money I spent in a year on meal delivery since I used to do it often. You may save money by making more of your own meals at home or taking your lunch to work instead of dining out every day, but treating yourself to a good restaurant every once in a week or once a month is okay. 8. Eliminate debt. One of the most costly errors you can make is not paying off your debt, particularly if it is high-interest credit card debt. Debt is really difficult. I know this from personal experience. Your mental health may suffer, and you may even get depression as a result. The greatest way to improve your financial status and open doors to new financial prospects is to pay off your debt quickly. To start, jot down all of your bills, including consumer loans, auto loans, credit card debt, and any others. To keep on top of them, determine the minimum amount you need to pay each month. Remember, however, that making minimum payments will not get you out of debt any faster. Take stock of your monthly outlays and determine how much you can afford to invest toward debt repayment. 9. Put an end to the needless use of credit cards. In times of need or while aiming to improve one's credit score, credit cards may be quite useful. However, they might be rather problematic for some individuals. Using a credit card while you're already in a tight financial position is like walking on quicksand for your finances. Using credit cards in this manner might result in debt, making it difficult to pay bills, invest for the future, or achieve your financial objectives. That's all for today. Now you know all the rules of money that you need to follow to become rich. Press the red subscribe button below if you are interested in knowing more about personal finance and want to become rich soon. Press the like button also if you loved watching this video and learned something new. Share this video with all of your friends, relatives, family members, colleagues, and all others for them to learn. Feel free to add a comment below if you are left with any queries or have any suggestions for us. We will be happy to hear your suggestion, or if you have any queries, we will be glad to help you out. Actually, all the millionaires and multi-billionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and all others know these rules of money. But they never reveal these rules to everyone. They may say some basic rules like saving money and investing, but they never reveal these secret rules of money. They may probably say that you should invest in stocks, bonds, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, gold, and other assets. But they would never tell you to borrow money from the bank and then invest it into real estate or any other appreciating asset. The rich people have many secrets hidden in their minds. Well, we have researched about it a lot and found out some most crucial secret money habits the rich people hide from you. You must adopt these money habits to become rich. Click on the video appearing on the left side to know these habits. Thank you.